Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the Sales Tracker template in Google Sheets, a simple but powerful way to log sales, track performance, and analyze results. If you want a clear and organized system to manage your deals, this template is exactly what you need. The template has two main sheets. Data, where you set up drop-down lists like sales managers, product types, lead sources, and statuses. Sales, where you record every deal and where summaries and analytics are calculated automatically. Let's start with the data sheet. This is your setup area. Here you define your sales team members, product categories, lead sources, and deal statuses. For example, managers like Eloise or Victor, product types such as furniture or plumbing, and lead sources like client referral or website. Once set up, these appear as drop-downs on the sales sheet, making data entry quick and consistent. Now, the sales sheet. This is the heart of the tracker. Each row is a sales record: date, client name, location, email, sales manager, sale amount, commission percentage, product type, status, and lead source. You just pick the right values from the drop-downs. For example, January 12th, 2023, Susan Houston, Philadelphia, handled by Ellis, $1,629, 10% commission, plumbing, delivered, website. The template automatically calculates commission amounts and includes the deal in all summaries. At the top of the sheet, you'll find automatic summaries that give you instant insights. Totals by status, delivered, in transit, processing. Totals by lead source, client referral, website, inbound call, etc. Totals by sales manager, showing how much each team member sold. And totals by product type, furniture, office equipment, electrical appliances, and more. You'll also see a summary by period, where you can select a start date and end date. All totals and breakdowns instantly adjust to the chosen range, so you can analyze sales for any specific period. This template is perfect for sales teams, small businesses, or freelancers who want to manage leads and track revenue without a complicated CRM system. Getting started is easy. Just copy the template to your Google Sheets, set up drop-downs on the data sheet, and begin logging deals on the sales sheet. The analytics and summaries will update automatically. So, if you're ready to track sales clearly and effectively, click the link in the description, download your copy, and start using the Sales Tracker template today.